channel. My name is Kendall Malm for those of you who are new, and for those of you who are back, welcome back. Today I want to do a simple, easy DIY make your house Valentine's Day look. I'm really excited because Valentine's Day is soon and I love the color pink, so that automatically makes me love Valentine's Day. And as you can see behind me, these are some of the props I'm going to be using to spruce up my living room. I'm going to do a DIY little project with you for a table stand or table decor, and then I'm going to show you how to hang up hearts on your door and a couple little easy projects to make your house look more Valentine's Day-y. So please subscribe, like, and comment if you like these DIY videos, and let's jump right into this. So for project number 1 for Valentine's Day, we are going to add some pink to my living room. It's all about pink for Valentine's Day, except I don't like too much pink, so I just added some flowers and a pink vase, some pink faux fur fluffy pillows, and then I took these twinkle lights and I put them through my shades. What I love about these is they're already strung, so all you have to do is put them through your window shade, every other one, and it turns out so cute and charming, especially at nighttime. So as you can see, there's just a subtle little change to any living room or bedroom or anywhere you want to make your house more Valentine's Day-ish. And I love pink anyway, so this was super fun for me. I just added some little cute lights onto my table. There's some Rosetta pop later, and that would be it. Hi, Doo-Doo. Hi, come here. Boo-boo. Boo. And I also am layering my rug. So I have a gray rug down now, and I'm gonna take a white faux fur one and put it underneath my table because I thought it would be fun to switch it up a bit. Now I'm gonna take a light box and I'm going to just write out the words Happy Valentine's Day, also to add an extra little touch to my living room. I put Duke into a bow tie, you guys, cutest thing ever. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's just these little touches that make such a difference, and this is it at nighttime. It's so charming and cozy. All right, number 3 is DIY candles. So all you need is a bag of sweet tarts, some ribbon, 2 little candles, and you are good to go. You are gonna take the sweet tarts. As you can see, Duke has a sweet tooth as well, and you're just gonna place them inside the mason jar and put as many as you would like in there, and that is literally all you have to do. And put in as many sweet tarts as you would like. I use sweet tarts, you can use the original candies, whatever you would like. I took pink ribbon, I'm gonna wrap them around and stick in the candles, and voila, you are good to go and done. These would be cute on a table, coffee table, nightstands, in your dining room, anywhere. And voila, that's it. For number 4, we're gonna string hearts, which is so nice as they already come strung, and all you have to do is put them on your door. So I just took some tape and I put them at the top, put as many heart strings as you would like, and then cut the bottom if they're too long, and that is all you have to do. It's as easy as a 1, 2, 3, and A, B, C. And this would be my door hearts. Voila! Also, you guys, I ended up hanging up this photo backdrop from Amazon, and I'm going to be using it in a video pretty soon, but I thought I would show you guys because this is a great photo backdrop. If you have a party, you can have balloons next to it. I have a K, and it's super cute to take pictures on. Ta-da! And for number 6, we're gonna make a DIY banner. I just found some hearts, some brown string. You're gonna cut the string and take any piece that you cut and place them onto a banner. So I found all of these cute little papers that have cute little Valentine's Day sayings on Pinterest, and I will link them down below on the ones I used, but you can use anything you want. There's so many cute Valentine's sayings. You just have to look up cute Valentine's sayings and you'll see this one says, I'd like to see you some more, and there's a s'more. And then I just took a bunch, put them on, placed some hearts, and it's literally as simple as that. I just used tape. There's nothing crazy to it. That one says something about an egg. I will look at it in a second. And then you're just gonna place them onto the banner, and you can make it as long, as short, and as many sayings as you want on it. It's super cute and fun and easy. So it says, like, you are totally terrific. I only have eyes for you. You the one for me. I love you to a million slices of pizza. You crack me up, and I'd like to see you some more. And voila, I just hung it on my shelf, and it's super cute and simple DIY decorations. So I hope you guys enjoyed these short little projects to help make your house look more creative and pretty for Valentine's Day.